This is الدرس الرابع, and we're looking at تمرين واحد, and we are studying here the relative pronouns الذي, التي, اللذان, اللتان, اللذين, اللتين, and الذين, and اللاتي, اللائي, اللواتي. So here we have in number one, you're supposed to fill in the spaces with a suitable relative pronoun. So you're going to look at the word prior to the space, and that will indicate the type of relative pronoun that you're going to use. Number one, we have قرأت الرسالة blank وصلتني أمس. I read the letter blank arrived or reached me yesterday. The letter which reached me yesterday. الطالبتان, the two female students, blank نجحتا في الامتحان النهائي نالتا عدة جوائز. So the two students who were successful, the two female students who were successful in the exam, in the final exam, they achieved a number of prizes or awards. المهندسون blank أشرفوا على إنشاء النفق سيصلون اليوم. The engineers who oversaw the building or the beginning or the development or the starting of the tunnel, they will arrive today. أخوه blank حصل على درجة الماجستير في العلوم سينشر بحثه قريبا. So his brother who obtained the master's degree or a master's degree in science, he will publish his results or he will publish his research soon. أنا blank ساعدته في عبور الشارع لأنه كفيف البصر. I am the one who helped him in crossing the street because he he doesn't have much eyesight, or his eyesight is low. Number six, ستة لقد تزايد النشاط blank تمارسه هذه الجمعية. So تزايد is a form 6 verb. We say it increased, so the activity had increased, which the association or the society was practicing. This society was practicing, or this organization was practicing. تصفحت المقالتين blank نشرهما أستاذي في العام الماضي. So I looked over the two articles which my instructor or my professor published published last year. اشتريت الكتاب والقاموس. I purchased the book and the dictionary. Blank, now this is going to be a dual because we have الكتاب and القاموس. Blank طلبهما الأستاذ. I bought the book and the dictionary which the instructor had requested or had requested. تكلمت مع السيدات. I spoke with the ladies. Blank أشرفنا على هذا الحفل, who oversaw this party. الولدان, the two boys. Blank كانا هنا تركا لك هذه الرسالة. So the two boys who were here left for you this letter. And now 11, we have المدرسة, the female teacher, blank علمتني اللغة العربية المصرية. So the female teacher who taught me the Arabic language is Egyptian. Number 12, الكتب blank. Remember that kutub is a non-human plural. So we're going to say الكتب blank طبعت اليوم العام الماضي لم تصلنا. So the books which were printed last year didn't reach us. Hopefully that helps you with some of the vocabulary so that you can put the relative pronoun correctly in each of the blanks. مع السلامة.